100 raised to the power of square root of x equal to 1000 raised to the power x under square root. We have to find the value of x. So 100 we can write it as 10 to the power 2, then whole to the power square root of x equal to 1000 is 10 to the power 3 whole to the power x under square root. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this will be 10 to the power 2 times square root of x equal to 10 to the power 3x under square root. Now when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So this we can write it as whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2 instead of that square root sign. So this will be 10 to the power 2 times square root of x is equal to 10 to the power 3x upon 2. Now there is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, then m is equal to n. That means 2 times square root of x equal to 3x upon 2, or if we divide both the sides by 2, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So this will be square root of x is equal to 3x upon 4. Now let's square both the sides. So remove square root with the square. So x is equal to 9x square upon 16. We cross multiply. So 16x is equal to 9x square, or divide both the sides by x. So 16 x gets cancelled. X times x is x square is equal to 9x, or x is equal to 16 upon 9. So this is the value of x. We can verify this answer. 100 raised to the power of square root of x is 16 upon 9 under square root. Check whether it is equal to 1000 raised to the power of 16 upon 9 under square root. 100 we can write it as 10 to the power 2 times square root of 16 upon square root of 9 means 4 upon 3. This side 1000 we can write it as 10 to the power 3 times 16 upon 9, and square root means 1 upon 2. 2 times 8 is 16 and 3 times 3 is 9. So this side also we have 10 to the power 8 upon 3, and this side also 10 to the power 8 upon 3. LHS equal to RHS. Answer is verified.